Bushya, lawyer Kusi finally exposed Kumasi, court judge, and Mame Dolin. Abushya means some say before say and some no ebe basso, and as on my better some no so between do Bruni, any Mamma Kusia say once and some no so, Kumasi High Court no Abushya. Secret conversation be a course between lawyer Kusi and the judge. Na dear some and a course, eguso. Daily Gossip TV afi and my journey message so be say I'm a for sweat me and ye be after we are now more than no follow ye or other social media platforms in there so abusia will be say the ensem and a course so Emma her ladyship Doreen and so iya no eno eti na ye wo ha na e dey and a cover sa conversation we so e de e ba ye ni nyina ejina timer na maame Kusi asewa ni German marriage certificate ehun sensem ebeto dwa na judge say wono ne de ontimi nyirama nka bibia emfa ma lawyer Kusi patemum sa asem no lo according to judge no ochirema wadi bipen a encheye enti lawyer Kusi relax na busuya lawyer Kusi relax no edien enesi ewa achire eno ehun leak audios ena APP yentie bi yemfamra
court no so ewo eru amo epre se ensama mo odi abanyina no se mo antumi anya na se mo de fa so kra na mo so part also mutumi verify documents ni say pass it through the right channel na say yes you be investigate and we say the course no ampa na say ampa enyampa. That is where court no so failure mo so anyo mo de.
You see, when you are going to a battle, men went into a referee, so and I say, oh, how make us a memo problem, Kakrebi. And I also have a problem with Bimpoma Bimpoma also evidence, no, the court story, and then Bimpoma Odobroni evidence or the courts. No, some of them were for audio recording, like you call Nkansah, right? Say na or say. Odobroni say Bimpoma friend no nase.
Ekuma.
Ekuma, sorry, Ekuma. So private conversation between Bimpoma and Odobroni, why do they allow them to tender it in as evidence? Because the defense lawyer at that time should have raised an objection.
Exactly.
It's a private conversation. Because it will breach privacy. You don't get any so mama or more a day sad and a crack in the first place. We saw more use to because judge needs to your car on the paragraphs come back or say once you say and then they have been poma and who said the only Odobroni, something like that. And I said only Odobroni say Odobroni because in Kobomuno of Reno Akuma.
And they say, and they are winning. I had trim praying and near Freya Kuma, and on way. Hey,
and I make us but also no man can say, only because of Obeka, no, would be no Akawi Abu, no Akawi.
Okay,
yes, the judge will
say
because I know I'm making a mind that
yes, of course,
is it a case?
What are you talking about? It's like you are against myself.
Madam, please, Madam, I am wrong. Don't talk like that.
I don't say I am wrong, but the way you talk
nice. As a lawyer, can I make back a liar?
The fact is that
Monsieur Obian calm me down, why me pamucho. Abutre kodi e wupacho ye ka bibi na anya woda fache yen wa yesi no acho
Chanizi Nkansah Mr. Momi nya botra ha na ye kasa na nya wanwan ebia se court honu no ye camera ye nka no kre no enu ntina lawyer wa ha ebit me bisa no lawyer mpacho court ye ka emra anase ye ka no kre answer the next question about
yeah, yeah, I freeze down what kind of, but me said no person said no, Nibako has a course a camera, in Kanokre, no, in no, not thinking. I agree with her because sometimes the judge, right? We need free of the okay, judge be Nkansah kase or the obiatu, right? Was sentence you be, and our conviction was sentence you be, but on one agreement, no. But in background, the obeke to try to want minka, or also to want me your horn. What's I say? Into some judge, Kwana obi like say even Kwana judge no unim foreign law nimpa won't me Nkansah meaning to be say the mobile be catch me na me so court Nkansah na the one wasem the ebe ka court no into kona wasem no ever say no krenya me any me no kre now kono wan go ka wasem ya at the end of the day baby will go also that's how it's no because court you come right in kind of no into quite making sure wasem now awareness you are being consistent with what you are saying.
Me pacho me new
lawyer Mpacho almost starting a lawyer Kusi beka say or the man confidence kwan say judge ne ka say or this case German case you be in chair water crowd samokaya
Mekai
also we did something similar water crowd recently inti or relaxing or per German way expert abano judge ne catch and say nanse ya odisa case eno na ma okasa osupina German embassy cry o mama no
omoma into no end obey
you see but on one judgment like on 3 or 4 occasions in the judgment she made it very important that they should have brought a person to prove an expert to prove the foreign law.
So no, lawyer fighting on because also during proceedings, now case never out.
When you are
going to court, when you are going to court.
Hold on, Umi. Now Umi
follow the rules of the house, please. We beg you, please. Follow the rules.
Ikasa.
Oh yeah, I'm more Kasa. Me question me.
Me say, case no. Almost starting no na amanfo were interested in inti daily way no. Ye ba out my yete enye sanka nioma bebre si ya ye nim kwa no amma BBM. As a accounts be or why a year very helpful for mama say wa but ma verdict ni mo as a judge name more so cry. Enti obi a unfollow na oba medwe no nioma bi o ha ya started from beginning no ye tiase no onu akon tiase sir because during proceedings no omo wie ya na bra Kwadwo abegina bonte timodobro ni for kra na omo ye omo blog omo baba omo utterance bi o ha e ba ye no as a judge no it's a complete case of misleading. She misled them as a entina ama ye ka se kululu because the eye no as a ma the ye start ye no and depict a verdict no and secondly lawyer my question is say enti ebusia penny or transfers on UTV no can't he be accounted for it akoto say wa ontimi nsiu no e ma ne nkoche no ba bia ashtown ba bia okoye sa we no
marriage certificate.
Yeah. Me na me pesanka o de fa no ne so crash scapegoat na yesan ye na onya ho prove na yi no. Ti me first na me ni interest in appeal no kwa na me ka so obesiu no na wa che na ashtown ba bia okoye sa we no. Sa certificate no.
So that's a matter of defamation. So what's me taking on that's fine. You can't be fast to build your case.
So taking it on quite but man a chance now wait me I'll bring it back in a certificate the right way, right?
But these are two different things. I guess I know. You see, hold on a question mark with that. So why didn't you fake? In as much as court now and say Nkansah simplicity and I say clearly say a fake no, right? So say defamation
it was on national television so
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Defamation defense the background be defending us as somehow can no correct. So it serves as a defense. It say so or court judgment or the back say I as a man kind no fake fake They say okay no hey, but evidence is fake because court we pronounce and say you couldn't bring any authentic document. And my man Samadi uncle be so then teen so back what judge as I say or say first you know the buy and certificate na the buy no. What the second one extra na the buy and differences are and don't think I won't be no or reject certificates now.
Signatures, right? And the name, I think, yeah.
I didn't have my, but no, because I said there's discrepancies. I don't know, but not German for the be Kasawa. No, must say, Oko for BB, first one I assign, mostly Obakobi outside copy. Let's say the extra or something that maybe there's not the same person in position.
Yeah,
different signatures.
That is correct.
Everywhere.
And our lawyer, maybe they no kwani say. Says you see our birth certificate for Ghana no. All losing and now call back to we came me and I say AMA cry now like koye biwa. I don't think say about the same thing, same person the best signing. So who age the why yes best certificate now. Oh say koye best certificate.
What you say na Ghana for?
Who you na best signing? I don't think say
we
are very shallow. As a people,
overall boss signature needs.
This all no. This all these no. And come on the foreign experts in the bank and no. That's all.
It's a lawyer.
Okay.
Pacho make me be
lawyer no barrier nanka kodi ekuwo susu we bisa
odi. Come question that we bisa mo dia ma.
Mo
What's the
bisa
name na me busa me.
lawyer no pa.
Me
na we
Okay, Matt.
Lawyer, okay. Because lawyer Pacho maybe say in this case at the court no you bet me the atoto baby to say obi wasase na waja to honum na obi akwakofa sase no na wasi dan no aboso awie tim na afi na wa we asase wura no okọ honum akwakopresa asase na ye because I've heard the judge no say or they to say you know na ode tutu say you know say what asase ato ho no obi si dan wahwe na wanka hwe amena si dan na wie si dan na wie no afi na ukọ ho no say wode na eba court say o asase na ye wode eno wode na eba say court na enye wode
Sarah judge
me our radio yes I've heard it saying that.
Oh, nah. When it comes to marriage, there's nothing like advice. On the assassin,
but
judge by the kind.
Judge, you transmission now on the program, na or your program be na when him say na ubi I can't say like a judge no di lumba assembly. Inti she tried say one of the program no days no or try say or example be no de lumba case be na example de
I'm refusing to I'm refusing to believe it though, but it doesn't work that way. Adversary possession need our realm and acquaintance in our realm. See,
okay, measure that share link na mo no akwakoye
because obi didn't separate for 100 years na back one fan court na back one ka say ye jaya obi antini yan ho hwe so maware tena de so wajani kunu opa be ne de oba ne bia still remember any kunu
me try and share link na mo na
exactly
what has a video no okay could you
Pacho bisa question why Jace ma me kodanti take you over why
what does it say
Hello.
could you Pacho bit makasa
Me Pacho my year a bit kakra for the occasion I don't support him as a one. Sometimes you know obi wo ho or ye blunt no bi ani senia osi any senior osi.
Yes.
Me a great supporter of myself. Anyway, lawyer.
10 minutes we driving to me drive to mama and take you over. Why?
Yo.
Lawyer. Me madwini no. Ade ba kwa mesua from all this say. You must go to court prepared. Don't leave any loophole because so leave a loophole judge ne be gina so the technicalities are real anameboa
Very well. No, no, can.
It will feel say ade na wo de court eno pene wa ade a wo de court the wo sisi kwan bia e wo ho a is there a way a judge no ebetimi afa ho ade atia wo
I know this area was some Nkansah koye, but so was some koye na who see quite be a loopholes we are saying the probabilities of this me with your case no. So
right. So my point I was trying to make is that there were so many loopholes were your case no. Enti na judge no whatever me I won't sit here and say wakoji bibi and na onkoji bibi or whatever but matna say assess say yeah na kwan da ye ho. What I say to moving forward, whatever we do, we try not to make kwan better no be the abenya because we have a beautiful case. Mama say what the any the say and one the na lawyer you can say aji nyame because he cry ordinance certificate. And you are not dear obi any we are see obetimi a fight yen but asu die na beda yen yeso. Say you be making sure say obi ntimi mfa tokrebum emfa berem nti lawyer manu asi mo betimi asi me
I somehow agree with you because we were very complacent. I said we were overconfident, complacency from very complacent, because cross-examination lawyer Kusi was very adamant. I say no onse oye onimse civil marriage there, like ordinance there, partial. Into complacency, the night was very high. Cross-examination be a while way, sir. We know, Nkansah. Also, a lawyer judge in TVghana or say, Nkansah now we trust so. They are more follow case, no, they know. Until we were very complacent on our side, very complacent.
Moving forward, do a case, do a court. No matter how you know, say what's more there, no. Be prepared. Don't leave no stone unturned. Make sure say there would be an ne kwan so. Anka we won't be here. Ade bi wa nipa no be na adwen but tokro be na wo ho be fam. Tokro bi ani ho. Nti moving forward no. Ya brabo apart from mass e wa asemi kwa bibia wo ye bia no. Enja kwan to ho mo sefo merem. Me, that is my point. And point of correction, Pachomo be and Kase, I say me time I say, why hey, nipa da onda. Do you know what we have to go through because of Masewa? You have no idea. I love Masewa to say me yemba. Nobody should say that. I'm just being blunt.
Ojoin the Okaya Hupa.
Oh, fiaka.
Ojoin. I say Ojoin unim say the Okane will more home. But umofia kingdom asem ne ekano. Bibia ye possible umofia kingdom. Minimobia he Ojoin mamenka asem to minimobia wo ya ade no ho. Amanfo akọ court nyina akọ de omo ayi nyina akọ akotoso so waye. Utimi wo se judge no. Ka wo mafia nipa no. Enso Ojoin he anko baabia na omuyi no. And at that time them say na o the main body no e commander ne din. Ehona no mu se nipa ne sa wo cases foforo. O mama nipa ne bill no mu sa de docket foforo sa ba se hu bi docket foforo so no judge ne man so onko 2 weeks remand. I will be able to say case so they make a case.
I say me the international certificate too.
The Ghana Sanya account. Not till lawyer Kusi. There will be a docket.
Check who phone I.
Say dear woo. Lawyer Kusi ne cross examination.
Yeah.
The Obekaya Monday and Bibia call Tuesday no or yes or Kasano Masonano. I'm a lawyer Kusi Krabufuye. Asantua also. Unimie mekan. But other lawyers ne your mudi any day and konesa. It be sounds say enema bebre course be bra na say air time. Inti Ghana umofia kingdom asem ne yeka no enye abrochi asem abrochi ne ebi fe ni.
Asem from marrying not ade na yen present
ya say judge no okay me but say judge say who need marriage certificate in kwante no e dey na next stop say we request certificate you be requested kind of say certificate from the embassy. Jama embassy bi wo Ghana. So person would di asem finching.
Emra kaka no so.
One a 1 month krana. Yeah.
Lawyer they say.
Oh, okay.
Emra ben the govern judge na. Ultimate decide say on kohwehwe. Emra oho a chese judge no opa obeko opa on.
Oh, eno wo eno de wo ho minim pa se wo ho. But say lawyer so ka so kofo bi aba na judge ne ball no. 442 man 442 adwene.
O man nkradro.
Yes, unja na ekofa papa kokwe friend say de ono so another okoji iske
Suffer kantanka.
Okofa asafo tanka kantanka no ofa
ofa no
wati ase omunindie na omo pese omo ye
Lawyer wa ha for now no mo me
oh okay.
So
lawyer
me
so me ba ko ne say judges are allowed to use their own discretion to rule a case. Ana meboa. Ana tender in evidence from a foreign country. Judge, you know, your she, so obekwa akoshe. Ana se enyo she, so obekwa akọ find it out. Be pacho obetime yi manu.
See, the thing is, Ghana a system, right? We call something adversarial. Adversarial, no, in simple terms, such as Obia mechanism. Na me fan to me the two are my friends. Was a meda and was a meda. Yamina me baby jumanamo amamo. So you are seeking justice, right? So Jumana nampesa judge na yeno. So no ne kwesi no. Oya so ye case amount. Inti the mobile be catch no. Ene the mobile babe to any no. Ene ne nim de no de to no. Eno no de asem. Because I say intina this case Nkansah expert witness was very important. It was very, very important. Into your buy in as much say expert witness no. Now some more is not bound on the courts. Courts they part or the fan. Still Nkansah somebody say expert witness never. Into oba no de na no they say na Germany say into you the two on the mouse okay and yeah they we have become me atomasum you abetche me made judge must say be a expert witness wa betche me made into se me to asem no ho say ya and I'm the baby asem so that's how it works into on Nkansah tina that comment my investigation and then it was needless so asem now okay you know into it is what it is. Into more, you know what? Yeah, and to to the point so be kwa him. Or due to mukra there, and that's fine. But one to so that's where the question mark is. Obviously, they did not prove marriage. Oh, they proved their marriage. Oh, to the courts, they proved their marriage. That's to the courts.
Yeah, and someone is also referring to evidence that the third party like I say court no so a war duty say omo enso a year assessment and also my investigation no. And I think say no the way you know say
investigation I think say the third party not rely on it say document to see mobia kwai counsel in the matter the mobia kwai say Obia share documents nima I was a court nijitu but courts no and trigger that discretion no. That's it.
Now lawyer Pacho meaning say a country's embassy represent the country as a whole. Inti say German embassy to me issue statement at the internet store or like you're more like no doesn't that equate Sir Evidence Acts na ye kase a far proceedings bino.
No.
A process be sorry.
I don't know any letter. You see, when it comes to authentication, certification, that thing is something it needs to be done. And
me check it no also or more case no omo di how many weeks na the case no.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And I say sir authentication they can ho it take at least 3 weeks.
But judge no so cousin be or cousin be but minim no cray wo mate so lawyer Kusi kasanya no cray. Say first one na omoko pre injunction no. Na injunction no that document no court and reject say certificate na omde kan omo exhibit so omde go pre injunction na ho. Inti or rejected no for that reason say it wasn't authenticated. Inti anyone was say after 1 month no say omo injunction no 1 month after no about the main case na so. Inti court can say judge can say anyone was say after 1 month lawyer could send me and correct that mistake.
Now lawyer and Pacho 2 different cases, how does it correlate? Who connection as that two different two absolutely different cases in T. How does it correlate?
Those two cases correlate in the sense that before you file an injunction, there should be this thing, a substantive matter going on. Inti semena wo pre asase ho na mehwe na wo ya asase no ho adwuma. Asase no ho adwuma na wo ye no mehwe na ma wo ya ebedi asem na wie no na asase no ayi yɛmfa sɛ wasɛ asase no na memfa ne saa before sɛ bɛ file injunction na wɔsɛ me file case ti awansa nti yɛmfa sɛ case no bɛ foundation no na injunction na yɛ bia yɛde support foundation no so that's how it works.
Na mpacho also will say marriage and omo call injunction or ka say the body belongs to family. No, there was nothing like a marriage certificate. Me boy santoa. Cause or say the body belongs to family. I don't see on your family. Other no or Becca say or kasa on for marriage certificate ma.
So let me establish that one. Didn't a marriage certificate because all filing injunction na or the affidavits or the exhibits be attached. Into me ba pre injunction because ya ware me. Me kunu na that form say to do a be attach it. What you say? Inti then chese ya ware that wa attach inti. Honom na be ma omo hu e for the first time, the marriage certificate for the first time. What you say? Aha. So that's
very clear. Like Matthias Yepa.
Me baba ji me ebia yesi me papa. Na ebia mentias ye na mpese ko ji injunction me file suit ye mfa se tie busu apani na am ko ji injunction de ntie ni se ma aware mba meti me de bibi be kan wa say the man ni ba ko fa so be me papa meti me attach bibi as evidence. Aha so that's here.
Okay, lan patro emra appeal no so process no senate here wedding kaka debat me pese o ma detail senate here omo ebeye bibia behind closed doors and sana drew final stages no yaba out and assessing.
Oh, appeal quite most Ghana won't share that more share than say who share because and this we are corner we are share that came see no one say no maybe I ready and one say why if BB form 6 you had the issue form 6 now I was a lawyers no file it written submissions, 2 final written submissions, and I'm going to come court. Only other mark courts now, I think you're 8 weeks, 6 or 8 weeks in back, but I'm sure it's 8 weeks. 8 weeks also the judgments never.
Process in the how long do you think it takes, or it all depends on the court?
Oh, appeal, no credits appeal, and I don't think appeal would take more than 6 months. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay. Yamra ayina so Eleno. Eso. If ya no ho adwuma no. Odogo inside no so e mo friend say caveat analysis.
Caveat.
Echo so. From there, no, what next? And also, your best friend here to answer
I don't know what's in the caveat though. If I already
okay. What about
No,
what
sir. I'm
about in
not
a
gonna drop it
situation
off your water.
What you say?
Nene,
no be so
now
just
dropping no abano or dropping no abano. On a mi business I don't know or dropping no.
Oh yeah, but caveat here, dear.
Caveat, say my file BB or some chair said, didn't say any see a day letters of administration amount.
Okay.
Any of any caveats. No, I have something against you going for the letters. And I said, I have a problem with your letters of administration.
Okay.
But caveat before say over filing or also you'll be our interest. And I said, capacity to file for letters of administration. No.
And nothing or show a Japadia on any word together, no.
A Japadi on any word together, no. That we say with the caveat in the double mum now file. Me, I have this process quite no.
yeah.
I have an issue, right? I have an issue in the sense the first thing I think they need to do. Maybe I may remove my layman, minimum lawyer position, or don't see a lawyer jack or the taxes. Meaning that they are and committee can I file it against Abuja Penny. Challenging my share of the property, which is the 50% of Ejapade BI. So me clear no only frequent anymore we are. Then we go back to Mansane Mako file it early no. Sana come because Ejapade no be brave me ni pakono. Say no credit ya. And I say I dream why in net. I could just say one lumba de side Ejapade no. Into why not say you first deal with the 50% which is yours. After that, no, then you come to the LA or probate. Nobody say what is probate. Probate or the bedroom on me say a funny kaka. And some my file for LA no. Not just say 50% now can I fail a year by treatment home so imagine me 50% that. That's the process I make. Can me all the measure that shoes I'll go with it. I'll first deal with the 50%, which is my part of the jointly acquired property. Then after that, we come and deal with the 50%, which will form Lumber's estate. Me and Kasana can go about it. But Eleanor, like I said, maybe it's tactical. I said Juma with taxes and so on. It's tactical. Maybe not the test say will be or who so now say Sarah mano. And the caveat to do Bruni farmers minim the woman. I don't know what's in
Lawyer, you know, answer omo ede ere no koye no. We realize say court no assign a direction say omo involve Odobroni omo fa the room because as it is now no or not say a wife. The ruling about first no. Was it a right direction?
Omo fa the mem say or joining your mama kwaje you know. Omo de di bem say nipa or survival almost survival lumba. To say o train a man wager back where free. What you say? I was saying the money or money na bem say oh we were inti not necessarily so more joining as a party to those who are filing for the no. I'm on join but my courts na who say na or a yubi wa hati sanity. So first normal money di but na goes up money so it's normal.
And how about the point and so more a day of Yakukubeye it was a paying a year to pack a free money. And also was it right?
I don't think it was right.
Pacho, ebusia penny no enya sa oye clan head and say lumba no side of the family no for your poking the head no. And I don't see how wrong that is. On say overall no na ye confused. Clan head no a corner ebusia for no a penny but say we amesa mo side no. Or for poku na we a friend say or for poku na ye omo penny right?
You see, the Ebusian penny. This is more of Kamenya Obia. The building like
No.
deep.
Also,
But for my
we papa
for my
no we say ebusia penny we no oye ekona ebusia penny.
but like for my thinking, Ebusian penny is Ebusian penny. But I don't know. So I say, I know this is Minya Obia. Is I can form here. Obi kasa here.
I can form no. On say, ohwe omo ebusia na wo de mfa lumba omo ebusia no. Eye lumba nana ena ninua ene memfa say kwenema eye yen nyina e maame anu awo 3 into awo 3 no awo lo yaboate awo drama anu awo shanizi ana shanizi nso obia nipa 3 na awo no obia wo ne de enti we are all coming from one parent or grandmother eye kwenema enti do ya benya subset ewo ebusia ni nyina mu but eye funu ba ko mu ade enti sa ebusia ka busia pan na maame na owo ema no ono mu ba ko na o se debusia na no eye busia ne ntutu ye nyina enti the other ones no ye ba lo ya botin asefo na ye ni se wu gina ho no se nko awe ebusia pan wo ase no na ye ba Ramanso side ho no so no so ni ebusia pan wo ho no se enti se fa lumba ebusia na for ya kukumu side and say amesa mo side no enni sa ebusia pan ba ko wo ho ana omu wo baabi fufuru bi wo ho no to park no ene da ebusia ni nyina no menim se de meka na emu da ho no ma
is what answer question
ebusia pan nya sa na tie ebusia pan ye ba ko pe
so to park in as much say or a nonsense man no still don't want to do there, so that's what the problem is. And I know be say Ebusia penny, you don't need Ebusia. Yes, Ebusia penny affidavit is not compulsory, and that's it. It's not a must. It's only a practice. It's a practice because among person ebia obabeji ele no na actually na obi for from so abana say a change sem bebre no. And na in practice no mo person Ebusia penny ya de bay support it with na affidavits no. Sanity to bet me aye early bra Ebusia penny nka ho. It's not compulsory. Inti
lawyer say caveat ne bamu a enya bamu omunya de caveat no eba eno no eba sa decisions be na court no edeba because you wanted an early
caveat be not the bar court amount time so also be proved didn't here or file caveats and didn't any say granted early name the said person no.
Okay, on the other hand, my name is Sanso Hase. Mama Kosha say wa aside no a bit may see Odobroni law firm no. I mean Baba Jama and Associated no. Because letter Omode Mama no on the 3rd of October no, they stated I think point 6 no say Papa no eja well hono. Inti maame shouldn't go to any of the properties until some more better na say omo sa entotoye no. And now Papa no ewu 14 days na law no say so or well be o baby or say o deposit or high court and say court bia no went me anye after many months maame no free abrochire ba ya okoye ele no afi na modicave at neighbor without proving say indeed there was an well honor. In the first what deceive maame no madada maame no wabra money will be a honor. Can the woman take them on?
I can't give a correct answer because if you can take them on, I don't know what you are saying, but you can report them to the bar association. That will be easier. Give it to me.
What am I talking about? I'm talking about say what deceive maame you told her say Papa no well at the honor. Meanwhile, there's no well as we speak now.
I said letter no, I don't think letter no say it's not something which is binding and has to be BBC. Opa na abeja opa on into. It's just by force. And nipa crew obi wa but you see
lawyer, you see it wasn't binding, but here's the case: a law firm they claim say they represent your husband and they represent the Fusu family. Anna o issue warning and the mama say a monko baby. Meanwhile Fusu family my na o issue say na man no waka family no ho and o address no kra no o address no say akosia say wa Fusu. Meanwhile where you nesin chain and I support the other side no. Anna wo ka kire ne say we need kwan say also call any of the properties until say we better na say mo be and now there's no will. Like you are saying, maybe you cannot take them on, but
you see,
you can report them to.
You see, these papers. I don't value whatever comes. Like, I don't value those letters from Baba Jama and I said, where they no instructor. Obi what the next day they bet me instructor will be at the well. We also so name se bi o MBA so now what shall some mind on now yeah na say day oh the nipa what the truth is the nipa or top for my obetime didn't start to be so no is the busua penny so what I say and so bi wa ye mfaneja pade ni agro kopim say ya ye probate na say eleno onim na koton the japade onim na ko use na japade let's keep things as they are. The way I think this he run and also a die winner to about it. Manager of my says is a copem see a baby as no. And I say Binya Elino and I say a baby you know. So almost let us know minimum be or catch him say I know somebody around. I'll catch him say almost let us know about and I'm for the right channel or family. So I don't take their letters seriously.
Serious, okay.
Na lawyer Mpacho. The yeah mama letter no or no kunu privacy eba out to bloggers yenyina ye hu bi no ontimi take baby at the end started no on
but ya no mama na say one so ambisa na question say na be obi be request e be fa no why
yeah and Mpacho Chinese nyame sure why medamu nyina so mwase Pacho lawyer we no de me last meeting yeah me dan mo sepa Chinese nyame sure why
nyame de kwa o nhira ye nyina
me se me da nyame sure mo nyina ba Chinese no de o beda makoma so pa lawyer send the case no ba out baby a free buy no na me ye more concern ontimi take the or they like on say privacy enti say Lumba kura the man lawyers are na any nsem so de be bloggers, right?
It depends on it depends on how the I don't know. It depends on how the document is. I don't think it's that of this thing. Elikia enkobebia it's not something which was that private. Reading the letter and
it was very private. Now or you know like intimate way no. It was in also or more on tokwane like it was very private.
It wasn't stated on the document. So say document and as a private are mostly so restricted. For me, this is my personal doing my national service. Mostly and it's a court baby are so restricted.
Nampacho na without prejudice no. Then peer courts like
so without prejudice means you can't use it in legal proceedings, but that letter no court and me I could see disprove so many problem or court and
okay na medamu nyina mas nyame hwamo mesia mo bi nso afo I really loved coming up here nyame hwamo
nyame hwamo so ati yes pe wasem why
okay
no aba habi ebe share ho why
yo ho de ho
awesome Well, into lawyer, Bikasa.
Ryan Patrocasa.
Okay, Kasa Santo Patrick.
Been Patrocasa.
Okay. Into
Shanice your castle or Kwadwo. Yeah. Yeah, and see, no, we are mama Nana Sawanza Casa.
Nana Sawa with Macasa, with my question.
Lawyer, William Pacho, the point of me, Busa question more be offended by Mr. I Nami Busa says, would was some Jack Quarter or Ghana na during proceedings, dear, and a more there was a one Casa personal and Ube tour. Fat damage case no in terms of one the way I will carry money at the other. Is there any effect? Ever bit me how case and
So the best thing is I know where you are coming from, sorry. And I could just say what power of attorney and so to me it should have been best for Nina and Obi named the Asin Kwando into Finall and share dream. But would have been best Senka or Honum. Because the power of attorney, at the city background I walk or the background shadakam say one now shadakamu. It's in background represent one Nkansah. Into assembly or Beckabia, that's a one I walk. And will be to mean to or try and or yeah, there's a day I'll be to mean cat. Now, some to say the debate. While some to say the wild walker. Aha, into that.
Roya Casa, na.
Baby G, Kasa, Baby G, Kasa.
Lawyer, more question. Kenya you go abroad on say ma question say why issue by am I be na e me bo wa na enim enti ye ne ekunu ma ye nyapade bebre gu Ghana ye ne omudin me particular say me ne me kunu din na da bibia so as I said ya keka ko ya na me ya tifri na makwa kofa obi e dey be advice na bit me dey am say they say right now no ne be ma no wa japade ye dey necessary we ye to avoid stress no be ma no china bi nyame mpemu wokwa na oba bia beti agina me ne wo betwe den e dey say ko your marriage certificate mo se atwa na town enti say no mte nya adwuma enti no o advice be bit me dey ama ye na eti abrochi na ye na ekruma ye nya pade o Ghana bebrere that's
me dey say mo make it easier no mo the joint ownership and say more open and safe, but joint ownership if be this thing joint tenancy no just say bakuwa ejapade no automatically be di back on ho inti mo na joint tenancy na I think say no be fa na uja bia na ejapade na be dia me so mi uja wa na ejapade na ede be abaye we dia no, it's better. And I say, more joint owners and so on. I say, more joint owners are very being so tenancy in common. I'm there at Japadeno, Metias, you may 50% your media. But so I prefer the joint tenants back who are back wafa. I don't know back to me find your well a mobia. So I know it's here.
Me patch anything. Since land title ni na ada ye both nyese me tell me
Lawyer, that's our joint tenancy ni say no risky crossing normal one no just say me be man me ko uja be man na wa fa me na so what the command plan na say me na be so ni ken lawyer ba church mo
na so ma wo ha mfa dan command na be ma de
ye o madru a bibia to be see o papa
And that's what you go with. So you go with the tenancy in common. And I'm running, so it's very okay when it comes to tenancy in common, because I don't know your friend is saying say man fan she say who the here some of your joint owners, more joint owners na the man presume say mo only property no obi have 50% into na the obetimi aye obetimi do 50% amount na the aka no ono na fan 50% sanity.
Yeah, my question about constitution is say, and not to say the akeka so your banner sem fan say unu kro property a won't na hwa copy no hu say e bia so with the evidence ya fine na say obi tia wo na so e wu kro ba Ghana no oba bi to fie ho a wonu se be japade no nin be man na line title no mudin na so no kwa be na be fa so be kwa koyi sa bon sam na free fie ho ama ato.
I know these things are small. Where they say any embarrassing. Where they takashi. So be joke that ones who are up the free feel. That's all. Mummy and Mooney now equal access to the property. I didn't go for about for Fred and Abem. Per the constitution, you all have equal access. Some of your property the boba.
Only the me no din that's one. O kwa no ka tata maami o free hen pie. Na be ma na begina onko be bia. Because ono so ye. Ono so ye owner. And also ye owner ti owner me fo me no mate agina mo de asi ani no. E no akogina ba ko achi. Ti de na be no. E da no nkodwiri ngu na mo nsi ne foforo na asa bunya ne be.
Ma o kwaro afato o de performa.
And I won't focus on snap on catching some mupewu and so much.
Aha, Tokani agro the mupedi.
Lawyer, Pacho meant to be a bizarre question. Me Pacho, me is Legon dying, Pacho, you better victim, Priscilla, Pacho.
Oh, as a stance now, they say, or worrying or no. That's what we call worrying. They said the court say, or worrying no.
Okay.
2010 or the snap your 2016.
Papa ne dear no. And no be no team na because half your ma bedded dear. Into how do we secure our half of the property?
That's what I was saying at first. Say, somebody can pray more property no. But you see, Papa no you na honete ote dada. In the honote dada kopim say ye be Ellen every year no. And I be a man in now say the outcome of the Ellen in a bed share the mother bay no. See as it stands now no. Let's keep the status quo.
Nampacho other property na family members team no right.
No Nkansah.
And I make I say we nyina no yentimi yemfa obi usa na properties ni yemfa takashi nye ebe se asumdwe ni nyina yepe. Nti de said the day city ba wu ye no. Or the enya anu nti na free bibi Elena Nkansah no. It's two things. Say the property in the shell say my manager kopem see a check. And then the channel and Elena Nkansah no isiki. Inti say no. Ye nyang grant Elena nyehwe no. You knew be a or manage per emfanse mrano inti. Send na normal city before so be yen kipu no a see ma Elena wia. And I grant Elena and I say the answer a grant Elena wia echi no. De aka nyina nipa kra be wa kodi ni ono no betimi a hwe kwan obefa so manage sa no ma no
me pa chewo no mate se no papa no ye freeze ne accounts na adwuma ne ade a ekoso no se ye ba no earlier omo ba be render accounts na because na adwuma no se ekoso ena yenim baby esika no eko at the moment to make us yenim ni esika no ko inti do we have a right say yebeka kire madam in quotes say ombe render account na
that's after the LA is granted And as it stands now, Nkansah no, yenya sa no mani nya no. No kra na senka busu apeni na nka ose ne nsa da bibia so kopem se sa de we be happen no.
Confused.
Ono na nka ose hwe bibia ba ne da dia kopem se we be happen no. So these questions there, let's just pray we get the early or they get the early and they know how to do about things. Appeal no dear. Yeah, the appeal is very important. The appeal will be decided. Yeah, appeal now. So normal way be uncommon be to be tracked. So I'm to me overturn
the judgment.
Yeah, yeah, the judgments now. And common be to be tracked.
Okay, my last question, and it's say, Nkansah, I work in a criminal court. In court, no, if the judge doesn't see say something tangible and I say or hear other information, the clerk in the court, no, would go and maybe make those phone calls, but in this case, no, I don't think that happened. Because whereby the judge wasn't clear on the certificate or the process, no, I think said there were other ways that could have satisfied the court in this matter. In Ghana, no, don't you do those things? Because in the UK we do.
Well, like I said, I keep saying, more honorable society says another serial system, so it's a say the entire. But the court usually was before it and the law to work. So once they find it sufficient, they have the right to deal with the facts and the law before it. And Pacho, Nkansah for UK, right?
Yes, Nkansah for the UK.
Your voice sounds familiar. Have you been on Clubhouse before?
I have.
You were in Kokobelo, right?
Yes. You know me, the probation officer.
Yes. Yeah, we used to be in the same group. Your voice, no. I remember this voice. Now, Uni Papa ne Ben, like sometimes when we come together, I'm
and
I've forgotten your name. Yeah, I've forgotten your name, but I know you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm AJ, so that's it.
Okay. Okay. At
Lauren,
the time,
one question.
At time, no nothing and not law school or something, right?
Yeah.
I remember you very well.
Okay.
Oh, well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Lauren, my question back when they say
transfer me a gift to your poku. Yeah, ready? Why?
My question I'm best mbisa ne say inti LA no betimi aba ansa na appeal court naba.
The best thing is you see the LA like I said, it has two benefits. One, to hold the property and managing the property before the final determination or the final division of the property or sharing of the property. It can, but I wish let them deal with the appeal. And now, then some person will grant to Ellen and I said, Ellen, no, they proceed with it and say, what if the appeal back? Not still the aggrieved party. And Kuyamana say that you overturning the other side because almost appeal with Supreme Court. So that's the thing. So they should continue with whatever they are doing regarding the LA.
Okay. Thank you.
Mary. Give to your poku.
Oh. I'm so gonna be busana say, Papa me pacho. Say be a meno ne tasa say. If it is no. Na ye tasa se di wie no. my friends ye jai and that's okay or ho akofo oba afofra na da no my friends ye sit through baby na akofo oba afofro na dey say mo abeto aso mo wi a eno no say papa me chefa wo
chefa wo na mo to asase na dey na usi asase usi dan crazy obi asase so and I say busu asase so I said dan na nya wo dia. That's how it is, isn't it? Yeah. So once after that, Nkansah didn't know. Once Mona Motor as a man there. What's your phone?
Okay.
So that's it.
What? Mama me film na maybe I'm na mo no. Be didi. Bye.
Pacho meet me kasa. Okay. Lawyer Pacho no question kakra. But you know you say it's on way celebration of life ama daddy March 28th and 29th. But on that side remember say me call life because no more kasa ebusua panyi so odinjan she ba akwakoto so. It all right or yes I
That's funny.
Yeah. Some guys until no monso nim omo kwa into no mind celebration of life. I'm got some of the
okay.
So that's it.
Okay. And I'm patrolling so. I think I must say ma other brewing some days on some fact the response myself say this so say say actually mon fan ko no. E dey no and how they call.
If it expires and you can't come and prove your caveat, we continue.
Oh, until the time they expire on.
Caveat, and I think if my memory serves me, I think it can last for 6 months. But yes, I think a
long way to go.
Yeah, caveat. I think you need some time to prove it, but I don't know if it's. I'll get the correct answer to this one. But once I'll file a caveat, you have time to come and prove it.
Oh, Namkas only says this.
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it says this.
Oh, okay. Now, Nkansah, how long did it take you?
Lady Nka, assembly anyone a caveat be anywhere in show. It's one of the fastest processes.
Oh, okay. Into the HL.
And so be a months one. Be a months one, yeah, idea HBA.
Into Rena, it was say, oh, parents are banning take some days. Kaka no funny the uncle to send it. Yenya who answer.
What's say?
Say, Anna. Me can't say this, and I say this also on your show. And I see on so far like the response and coin. Send your moon to me and yet any channel background to mommy.
And not there again, I don't think so. And I don't know the caveat was in it. Like I was saying that be a file caveat, say. But to be exactly in that caveat. In see also the over prove say.
Oh yeah, so no be any the other call is on so many. Na japa de oni lumba yini no de beka
my laptop or I can
Let me actually we look at
right. Sure.
Answer according to Lumba, no I know what it was all interstate. And
What's it? We have to the crocodile.
Lawyer me pass.
So no Nkansah one na Nkansah sexy mama na baby G.
Na maybe some question but no person here or come or bem kakra.
That's what some question dey be nti o yes no my nti no baby my sexy mama bisa question we are na baby Nkansah why patch.
Oh maybe me question nti no mbeti mesi.
My English.
Me that's
real. Nti just
me patch me timi akasa. Hello?
Nzemuro na ni weka.
Hello?
Yeah, kasa, mpacho kasa.
Oh, okay. Me pacho, I think it's sexy mama Ibisa. Most of the questions I
have. Yes, I say other baby. This your other baby.
Baby kasa.
Okay, I think lawyer and
Pacho, network na baby
in favor of master. Wow.
Baby.
Okay.
Network na
me Pacho, okay. Oh.
Aye, kasa. I have the aye kasa.
Okay. Okay. Me Pacho, na me bisa say, in case appeals court ruling, which we all know say, nyame had maybe go in favor of ma. She said go in favor of ma say wow. Because say interview me to say na deal war gold watch beer President Kwadwo ne de man on other personal staff be say gold bars been in yoma. Ti ma say wabet me request for those things na I know you mean one question like valuable things be on him say any kunu dia no on him say wo ho. Na be obekọ na ani ho obet me or power so obet me ebisa. Na waje eno ye one. And my second question see businesses no. I think I've seen a couple of videos that Priscilla running like mineral water company in any way near there. Since yeah, not processing go through. Then I must have
baby,
Jina baby au jina na nebusa question.
Better.
Yes, good.
Better, why?
Okay. Me see to say if say yeah go by the Kumasi court ne crack and say both women are wives now, which we don't accept, but yeah funny say sample. Ma say once your wife into out then and a one person penna case ninja go through we on one run BBI hono. What can ma say what do? Me that's it.
Okay, so you see, the person died interstate, and the businesses should run. As it said, we don't know if she is running the business or not. You get it? The facts who say, oh, Jina baby, and I say, oh, Jina baby, say, you know. Things should
lawyer, me pacho, sorry, and then me till free that this way, so now your advert say,
you go take that lady's
business. Oh, say,
oh, father lady, no, seriously.
I mean, funny serious, but
I wonder.
Lawyer, me pacho, that lady no.
Inspecting your
pacho, madam member. That lady no. So muka se mamu find serious, mamu find serious. Most of the time, ruling ne ahimfie courts every na a court ni na no. Omudi kind. Emma judgments were on the platform, so at the end of the day, the same judgment, you know, and it happen well either courts or ahimfie. In Timpacho, sometimes I will see it taking it serious.
Yeah,
because before say beko ahimfie and before say beko court, no, as someone beka no, omudi kan e wo mo platform so answer. And in fiaka and I said a court aka the same thing.
Queen, I no policy appeal no cramp no be do on the platform no so answer na ye buasem.
Yes. Into no serious. I don't see the reason here. I also a case inform serious. Pachopa wadaruma.
Okay. Well, me, I feel like onim they are no kicking. So when it comes to businesses should run. And you know, say businesses, no, your types of companies. We have sole proprietorship, limited by say company limited. This no. When it comes to, let's say DLFM, don't say limited company limited, right? Into no board of directors. The board of directors, when I'm running the day-to-day business, into say everyone says shareholder and our company and just a company in a group. The only time obet me be fraudulent and I say